In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to perform an audit in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a web-based accounting solution offering various features, including audit trails. Audit trails allow you to keep a close watch on every activity done in your Zoho Books account. The audit trail is an ideal tool to investigate any dubious transactions, unauthorized changes, or inconsistencies in your accounting data. To begin, locate the left sidebar on your Zoho Books dashboard. Within this menu, look for and click on the Reports tab. This will take you to the Reports section of Zoho Books, where you can observe various activity reports related to your accounts. Following navigation to the Reports section, you should direct your focus to the Report category. Within this category, pinpoint the Activity option and click on it. This is where you can access important activity logs and audit trails, essential for conducting a precise and thorough audit. After this, select the Activity Logs and Audit Trail report to view the necessary information. This report comprises of all the essential activity logs you would need for a successful audit, including changes made, transactions processed, and similar actions performed. The following step is filtering the logs if needed. You have the flexibility to filter the logs by date, user, or transaction type, allowing you to narrow down your investigation and identify any potential irregularities or discrepancies in the most efficient manner possible. The report will present itself with various columns, such as the time, activity, and user who performed the action. This structured information will help you scrutinize the activities more efficiently, find out who did what and when, and take necessary actions if needed. As an added measure to prevent unauthorized changes, Zoho Books enables you to manage user permissions. Moving forward, go to the Settings, and from the drop-down list, select Users and Roles. This feature allows you to define different user roles with specific limited permissions. It's a handy tool when you want to control access to your financial records and restrict roles from performing certain activities, thus adding an extra layer of security. To further enhance the security, especially for critical transactions, Zoho Books allows setting up multi-level approvals. This feature ensures that critical transactions must pass through several approval stages before they get finalized, providing a robust control mechanism to prevent any unauthorized or fraudulent transactions. Going through these steps, you will be able to audit your account in Zoho Books effortlessly. Remember, maintaining a regular auditing process will help you ensure that your finances are managed reliably and transparently. Happy auditing on Zoho Books!